Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. If you can't seem to log into your Instagram account on your iPhone and keep encountering the "sorry, there was a problem with your request" error, this video will help. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone. On the login page, tap the Forgot Password option. Now enter your username or the email address linked with your Instagram account. Then, tap the Continue button. Select Continue again, and Instagram will send an email to your email address, but don't open it yet. Instead, tap the Can't Confirm account at the top. Select your email from the list and hit Next. On this screen you need to enter the verification code Instagram sent via email. Open your email app or check notifications to view the verification code. Return to the Instagram app, enter the verification code, and hit Continue. Set up a new password for your Instagram account by entering it twice. Finally, hit Submit. Wait for Instagram to log you in automatically, and then you should be able to access your account. Let me know in the comments if this helped, and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.